Working with IBM Domino applications and encountered an LDX file. This is an XML language file used in Lotus Domino application development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest LDX cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An LDX file is a definition file used by IBM's Lotus Domino software, specifying data structures and schemas in an XML format. Developers and administrators encounter this file when exporting or defining data elements for Lotus Notes applications, often for data exchange or integration purposes. The LDX format is text-based, adhering to XML standards to define data definition language, DDL, for Lotus Notes databases. This design choice makes the schema definitions human-readable, easily version-controlled, and interoperable with other systems that can parse standard XML. IBM Corporation defined IBM Domino Designer as the application primarily intended for LDX. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows can open scripts for review, but running them depends on compatible tools. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click your LDX file and select Open With. See if IBM Domino Designer is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. If you are still having trouble opening the LDX file, do not worry. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, opening in Domino Designer. Launch IBM or HCL Domino Designer and use File then Import to load the LDX file into a Domino application database. The translation strings become available for the application and can be assigned to user interface elements supporting multilingual presentation. Next, editing translations. Open the LDX file in any XML or text editor to review and modify translation strings directly. Maintain the existing XML structure when editing and validate the file with an XML parser before re-importing to Domino Designer to ensure no syntax errors. Finally, deploying translations. After importing the LDX file build, and deploy the Domino database to your Domino server. Users accessing the application from clients configured for the target language receive the translated user interface, enabling consistent multilingual support across the deployment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.